Shivani, a small remote village in the heart of India, is a place where superstitions and old rituals still govern the lives of its people. In this village, residents believe in mysterious powers, and nothing is as feared as the old tales about the cursed black cat that haunts the night. Radha, a kind and gentle young woman, lives in the village with her elderly mother. Anish, a young man from a wealthy family, secretly loves Radha. Their love must remain hidden from the harsh judgment of the villagers, as their differing social classes make their relationship forbidden. On dark nights, a black cat with glowing yellow eyes silently roams the village. It is said to be cursed, and whoever crosses its path is doomed to misfortune. This cat appears only on special nights, particularly when the moon is full. One night, Radha and Anish decide to meet under the moonlight. As they stroll quietly, the black cat suddenly appears before them, its eyes shining in the darkness. Radha steps back in fear, but Anish, defiant, believes the cat brings good fortune. After their encounter with the cat, strange things begin to happen. Anish is plagued by terrifying nightmares, and Radha notices the cat lurking near her house every night. The villagers start whispering about their forbidden love and the cat's curse. Desperate for answers, Radha and Anish visit the village's wise old woman, hoping she can explain the curse. The old woman tells them that to break the curse, they must offer something precious to the cat and seek forgiveness from the spirits of the ancient tree. At the village's heart, Radha and Anish decide to perform the ritual. They gather at the ancient tree, surrounded by candles and flowers, and silently pray. The cat sits nearby, watching them intently. To lift the curse, Anish decides to sacrifice a precious family heirloom, a necklace, to the cat. He places the necklace under the tree and pleads with the cat and the tree spirits to allow them to love freely. After the ritual, it seems the curse has been lifted. Anish no longer has nightmares and the cat stops appearing near Radha's home. Life in the village returns to normal and Radha and Anish's love is finally accepted by the villagers. But even in their happiness, the black cat remains a silent watcher. No one knows that it still acts as the hidden guardian of the village, ever vigilant and always listening. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tales of love and ancient Indian legends.